Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to teach you how to clean your carpeting using a Rug Doctor carpet cleaning machine. Okay, this is a rental unit Rug Doctor, and you'll see there's all kinds of instructions on here to help you understand how to use it. But I know for many of you, the whole reason you're watching this YouTube video is so you don't have to read all this. So I'm going to take you through kind of the basics. This handle right here adjusts, this folds down, so you can carry it, put it in the back of the car. One of the things you're going to notice on these rental units is there's a master power switch right here, and this power switch needs to be on. The unit won't be on, but it's basically like a breaker that when you plug the unit in, if that's not on, the unit won't work. So just make sure that's on before you go ahead and plug it in. And you get that handle. This is adjustable depending on what you're going to do. This is really two basic things. It comes to setting this thing up before you're ready to do carpeting. First of all, you're going to choose whatever soap. Only use the Rug Doctor soap in here. Don't use any bleach, any dyes, or anything like that. It's a rental machine and you have to return it. This metal wire right here pops off, and then you kind of lift this little housing up. This is the dirty water tank. So after you're cleaning the carpet, all the dirty and nastiness that comes from the cleaning goes in this, and this is what you either dump down the drain or down the toilet. The clean water goes inside down here. Now you're going to follow the instructions on whatever kind of soap that you buy. Typically it's about a half a cup of cleaner per gallon of hot tap water. So we already pre-mixed that in here, and you go ahead and just pour it into that reservoir. And this holds just a little bit more than a gallon, but I would just use a gallon of water, and you'll see that as you fill it up, it kind of comes up over the top there and over the little filter area. And remember, the clean water goes in the bottom. This is the dirty water tank. And then you put it back inside, place that over the top, click it, plug the unit in, and then there's a button on the top here that says carpet or tool. Since we're going to be doing carpet, we're going to turn this carpet on. I'm going to show you once it's plugged in what happens. Okay, to make your life easy when it comes to cleaning carpeting in the home, the first thing you have to do is get rid of all the furniture. I know, don't you wish it was that easy? But now, with everything cleared out of the way, you can do a thorough job. So when it comes to cleaning a room like this, you want to start at one end and kind of work your way out so that you can cover each area and get it as clean as possible. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it into the corner. And the way this machine is designed, it'll fit right in the corner here, right up against the base trim. I'm going to go ahead and turn on that carpet machine button. So you activate the button for the carpet machine, and then you push and hold the red button, which starts the brush. And then holding it with either one or two hands, you're going to pull the machine away from the corner. And as you do so, you're going to see that the solution gets lifted up into that clear window on the top, and that's dumping the dirty water from the cleaning into the dirty well tank. Now for general cleaning, the carpet machine will do all the work, but if you have problem areas where you have staining, maybe from ground in dirt or pet urine, you may want to use a pre-treatment spray before you use the machine to help get the carpeting as clean as possible. A couple other things to remember. As you're using the machine and you're drawing the machine back, you're going to see that water rising up that's going into the dirty water tank. When you no longer see water coming into the tank, that means you need to fill the machine back up. One thing that you're going to notice is you're going to be filling this machine quite a bit. As I mentioned, it holds about a gallon, gallon and a half of water. So, you know, if you're doing the typical 12 by 12 bedroom, don't be surprised if you have to fill that tank maybe 3 times, even 4, depending on how dirty the carpeting is. The whole point is you want to get it as clean as possible. Now for this particular room, it's very small. I would say that on average, if you're doing a bedroom, that same example of a 12 by 12 bedroom, you should be able to, once it's empty, do all the cleaning in about 30 minutes or so, maybe 45 minutes, again, depending on how often you have to add more water to the tank. Coming up next, my video on how to clean the carpeting on your stairs using a Rug Doctor carpet machine.